Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I want to share with you some Valentine's Day themed air dry clay projects that I made. So let's get started. For this project, I'm going to make a conversation heart picture holder, and I'm just grabbing a big chunk of clay. How much you grab depends on how big you want your heart to be. And then I'm going to roll it into a ball. You should end up with something like this, and then I'm slowly going to flatten it out with my palm and try to flatten this out as evenly as possible. You may get some cracks like this, and you can just fix it as you go. This is what I ended up with. It's like about an inch thick and around the size of my palm. And you see how I have that crack down the middle? I'm just going to work with it and slowly start shaping this into a heart. I'm using some water to blend out any of the bumps in the clay. This is how my heart turned out, and it can stand up on its side, which is what you want. Taking the small piece of clay, I'm going to roll it out into a really thin coil. Right here, I'm adding water to the heart to make the clay really sticky because I'm going to be attaching some letters on there. With this long coil of clay, I'm going to make the letters XOXO. Here, I'm checking to make sure that I like the size of it, and I do, so I'm going to cut all the clay lengths the same to make the X's. And you can make any Valentine's Day words you want and add them to your heart, but I just went with XOXO because it's really easy to do and it's classic. I'm rounding out the tips of the X's here. I'm placing my letters onto the heart, and you can also use some slip to attach them, and that's why I added a bunch of water onto the heart to make it really sticky so that I didn't have to use slip, but I do recommend it. I'm using some more water to smooth everything out. Place the heart up on its side, and then using a thick piece of paper, I'm going to stick it into the clay to make like a little slit for where I'm going to be able to put pictures in after this is dry. Your heart should look something like this, and the paper should be able to stay in there, and if it doesn't stay in there, you didn't stick the paper in deep enough. Okay, so the little heart's done, so now I'm going to set it aside and let it dry. Here's the heart dry, and I don't need to sand it, so I'm just going to paint. And you can paint this with like more traditional Valentine's Day colors, but I wanted to do a chocolate color so that it could look like a little chocolate heart. I'm going to seal this with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. For this project, I'm going to make a lip incense holder, so grab some clay and split it into two pieces. For my first piece of clay, I'm going to roll it into a thick coil. For my second piece of clay, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but this piece, I'm going to make sure that it's a little bit bigger than the first piece because this is for the bottom lip and I want it to be bigger. And how big these pieces of clay are really depends on how big or small you want the lips to be. Okay, so this is the top lip and this is the bottom, and I'm going to start shaping the bottom coil into the lip. It's a little bit hard to describe, but you can just see like what I'm trying to do. Using my needle tool, I'm adding a line in the middle of the lip so that it'll give it like a pouty look. Now working on the top lip, this one's a little bit easier to describe what I did. I just kind of tried to shape this to look like a mustache. By the way guys, I'm keeping the lips open. Okay, so grabbing a little bit more clay, I'm gonna make 2 teeth for the front of the mouth. I'm checking to see if I like the bigger tooth or the smaller one, and I went with the bigger one. I'm adding some water to the teeth to make them really sticky, and then I'm going to attach them under the top lip. And I'm making sure to give the teeth a little bit of a gap because I like that look. I'm rolling out some more clay because I'm going to attach this to the back of the mouth, and I'm going to trim it so that it's around the size of the mouth. Once again, I'm adding a lot of water onto the clay to keep it really sticky, and then I'm going to start attaching the lips, and I'm also going to make sure to score the clay. I'm really making sure to press the lips onto the clay to make sure that it's really attached. Now I'm going to trim off the extra clay on the sides. Using my modeling tool, I'm going to blend the clay that we just attached onto the lips. And then I'm going to make sure to smooth this all out with some water. Using my needle tool, I'm going to add some lines onto the lips, and then I'm going to use my finger to like blend out the lines on the lips a little bit so that it doesn't look too harsh. Taking an incense stick, I'm going to push it into the clay on the bottom lip, and then I'm going to wiggle it around a little bit in there, and then yeah, now I'm going to set the lips aside and let them dry. Okay guys, so here are the lips dry, and I don't think I need to sand this, so I'm just going to paint. I'm using a charcoal color for the inside of the mouth. For the lipstick color, I'm going to do like a light pinky nude, but you could definitely do like a hot pink or a red to make this like more Valentine's Day traditional. I'm going to seal the lips using Deco Art's Triple Thick Gloss Glaze. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!